technician came to install the system. The installation took about half a day. Once everything was installed, we headed out to a field. He helped us set up the GPS system. I have to say, the high target auto steering system is very easy to learn and operate. Now let me take you into the tractor cab to show you how the auto steering system works. Today we're planting corn using a 6-row monosem planter and a compact 120 horsepower class Axos tractor. I had absolutely no trouble getting started with it. This is where you create guidance lines, and here is where you create field boundaries. Everything is easy to access. What I really appreciated was how simple it is to choose the guidance line you want to use. Everything is right at your fingertips. You just scroll through the list and select the line you need. That makes it really convenient.